In this video, we are going to go over how to create tasks in Zoho CRM. So first thing is we're going to go into Zoho CRM by going into the URL crm.zoho.com. This is our landing page for Zoho CRM. Now, in order to create tasks, we are going to go over to the tasks module. Click onto the task module, and over here, click onto this blue button, create task. So I will create a task with the subject email send out. Let's do a due date for next week, and I will associate it with the contact Martindale. And you can already see that Martindale is linked to the account City Limones. That's all. I'll mark this task as high priority, that it needs to be sent. There is an email that needs to be sent out by 6th of May. And let's save this. So our task is created, and this is the task. On the right hand side, you can see that the contact is showing up as well. So if I go into the contact, and so the task is linked to this contact, we can see that this contact has an open activity here on the left hand side, and they have an open task that needs to be completed. So this is what they would be able to see. And once they come into the task, they can close it if it's done, if it's completed. So you can close a task and they can mark it as completed. Here it would show you that this task is completed, and it will also ask you, do you want to add a follow-up task? Now you can do a follow-up task. Let's just say repeat for next month. So we want the same thing, repeat it for next month. And it would say here, task has been added successfully. So now this task is completed, but we've done a follow-up task, and the follow-up task would show up here in the open activities, and in the closed activities it would show you the closed task. So, and it would show you the time as well when you've closed it. If I go back to the open activity, this is my next task, which needs to be completed by next month, and it's a repetition of the same task because I want to do another email send out next month. So these are your tasks. These are linked to contacts. That's all for today's video. If you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and for more Zoho-based challenges, please contact us at support@goldstar.it.com. Thanks for watching.